It's good to be alive. Sunrise coming close, waking up as the colors glow. Everything feels clear to me, like I'm right where I'm meant to be. And honestly, that's enough for me. Take a breath, let it all begin. Find my ground where the light comes in. Lift my eyes to the open sky. All at once, I remember why. It's good to be alive. Feels good to be alive.
Jessica, sa harap ng Diyos at ng kanyang sambayanan, paano? Kitang maging aking may bahay sa hirap at ginhawa.
Sa dusa at ligaya, ikaw lamang ang aking iibigin at itatanging karugtong ng buhay, ngayon at kailanman.
Take a breath, let it all begin. Find my ground where the light comes in. Lift my eyes to the open sky.
Hello, bebe ko! So, tanda mo yung necklace from Tala? I remember na halos kakasimula lang natin mag-date. Halos noon. Ayaw mo ng real gold kasi sabi mo masyadong mahal. So, I ended up buying the plated airplane necklace. Pero it came up with a promise that one day it will be replaced with something real. I may have forgotten a lot of things, but I never forgot this. And that is the years, and as the years go by, we'll slowly see the world one country at a time.
This is the moment everything changes.
Ngayon, nandito ako para sumuko. Hindi para sumuko, para sumuko lang.
Out of the shadows,
Hindi para sumuko, kundi para mas piliin ka. Salamat dahil hindi mo ako sinukuan. Instead, kumapit ka ng maigpit at pinaalala kung bakit tayo nagsimula.
there's no place I'd rather be.
Tayo natitipon sa isang simbahan, kinikilala natin na ang biyayang ito ay biyayang galing sa Diyos.
Feel the light rushing in. This is the beginning. Side by side.
Here's the first step of our wildest journey yet. A universe.
It's a once in a lifetime. 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 It's a once in a lifetime.
Ako ang magiging kakampi mo, sandalan mo, at tahanan mo habang buhay. Love you!